Hello mga kanihon wonders! At this very moment, I'm gonna teach you how to cook Maja de Blanca, an all-time favorite Filipino dessert. This is a no-secret recipe. Everyone can do it. That's how simple it is. Hajime masho! First things first, pour down the 2 packets of 120 ml of coconut milk into the cooking bowl. Turn on the heat and mix it gently once it boils. Now you can add on the 200 grams of condensed milk. After a minute, you can put the main ingredient, the corn cream. Slowly pour down the hot water, about 120 ml. To make your Maja Blanca creamier, this is optional. You can add fresh cream. Not that much, but 100 ml. Keep the fire in a low heat. That's all in part 1. See you in part 2. Mata ne! Konnichiwa minasan. Part 2 ni narimasu. Maja de Blanca desu. Add only 50 grams of brown sugar. Add the cornstarch dissolved in water. Make sure to pour it slowly by slowly. Don't stop stirring your Maja de Blanca until it reaches your desired consistency. Add your prepared grated cheese into the bowl and let it dissolve into your Maja de Blanca. And we are done. Cool down a little bit. Once ready, mold it into the Pyrex glass. My friend is helping me out. Say hi to the camera and let's taste our Maja de Blanca. And don't forget to invite your friends to taste your food. Mata ne! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, TikTok, and Facebook page. Arigatou gozaimasu.